Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll tell you how to add Google Ads tag in website. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Adding a Google Ads tag to your website is essential for tracking conversations and measuring the effectiveness of your campaigns. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, go to the Google Ads website and log into your account. In your Google Ads account, click on the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner. Under the Measurement section, select Conversations. Click the plus button to create a new conversation action and follow the prompts to set it up. After creating the conversation action, you will be provided with a Google tag. Copy the tag code provided. Open the HTML code of your website. Paste the Google tag code immediately after the opening head tag on every page of your website. At last, verify the tag. Use the tag assistant to verify that the tag is correctly implemented and firing your website. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.